Hello food lovers, I'm Adnana and today I will share with you a delicious cookies recipe. Chocolate gingerbread sandwich cookies. In a bowl, add 145 grams unsalted butter and using a hand mixer, beat it for 1 minute at medium speed until creamy. Add 150 grams brown sugar and mix it until fully incorporated. Add 200 grams honey and continue mixing until creamy for about 1 minute. Next, beat in 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla on high speed for 2 more minutes. In a separate bowl, whisk 430 grams all-purpose flour with 1 tablespoon ground nutmeg, 1 tablespoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon cloves powder, and 1 teaspoon cardamom. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ones and mix until the dough is formed. The cookie dough will be quite thick and slightly sticky. Divide the dough in half and place each onto a large piece of plastic wrap. Create a disc shape and wrap each piece. Refrigerate them for 3 hours and up to 3 days. Once ready, transfer the dough on a well-floured surface and roll out a disc. Using a cookie cutter, cut it into circles. Remove the dough scraps and re-roll them until all dough is used. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake them for about 8 to 10 minutes. Allow cookies to cool for 2 minutes on the cookie sheet. Meanwhile, we will take care of the chocolate ganache. Heat 120 ml heavy cream in a small saucepan over medium heat until it begins to gently simmer. Pour it over 120 grams dark chocolate. Very slowly stir until completely combined and the chocolate has melted. Using a smaller cookie cutter with your favorite shapes, cut a hole into the center of half of the circles. The last step is to spoon 1 teaspoon of ganache on the underside of each whole cookie. Top each with a shaped cookie and press down gently to create a cookie sandwich. I really hope you will try this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Till next time, eat healthy and enjoy food.